Hello, it's Thursday. I got my hair done yesterday, as I'm sure you can tell. I got it cut and dyed more my natural color. Right now it's a bit dark, but it'll fade out to be my natural color. I'm here early today. It's 8:30. I have my first client at 9, which I usually don't take clients until 10, but one of my very long time clients is moving away, and so this is the last set we get to do. I think she's literally flying out today, like she's moving across the country. So she's waiting for her boyfriend, I think, to get home. He's getting home later today, and so I was like, you can come in, we can do an early appointment, that way just on time for everything. So that's what I've got going on today. I'm gonna make a coffee because it's 8:30. But yeah, just 2 clients today, and then Pat and I always do this where come like playoff season of any sport, we're like the most excited fans. So we're gonna watch the Leafs game tonight, which I'm excited, and coincidentally very pleased that I am finishing early today because then I can watch the game. I'm listening to an audiobook, I'm about 50% done, called Wayward. I'm very much enjoying, but I somehow keep listening to books that are like kind of positioned the same way, where you're hearing stories from all different people and it all ends up connecting. I don't know how that happens, but it does. I'm enjoying it though. I'm gonna finish getting ready. About half hour till my client gets here. And I'll show you her nails when we're done. Ooh, also, I thrifted these quite a little while ago. I don't know if I've shown them to you guys yet. They're little bookends, like airbrushed, made in Japan cat bookends. And I thought that they'd be really cute on my shelf and put like my box packaging in between, if that makes sense. But I need to fill them with sand according to these. Aren't those amazing? I finished my first client of the day, and now I've just done a bit of cleaning, and I'm now just waiting. I have about an hour and a half until my next client gets here. So I'm just working on some video editing. I nipped home for some lunch too, so I've ended up with quite a big break in between my clients, which is chill. So I'm just trying to be productive. All I want to do though is listen to my audiobook, but I can't listen to an audiobook while I'm editing a vlog. Day today. I'm just waiting for my first client to arrive for removal. Then I have a mystery Manny. That's it in terms of regular clients. But then my friend Matt's coming over, and I'm ordering his dinner and I'm doing his nails. He's going to be my test subject for my more art liquid, which is like the stuff that I have on my nails, the alcohol ink. So that's about it. Very chill day. I'm a little sleepy. I did like an hour-long bike ride this morning, and I didn't have a Gatorade or anything after, and I find that that helps a lot. So I feel tired. Hello. I wanted to film here because it looks like I have cat ears, but it's really just my cat lamp. Anyways, I'm just waiting for my first client to arrive. This is what I'm wearing today. Old Gringo boots, Stussy shorts, Hectolepathy tee, Marc Jacobs sweater, which I got nail substance on, and a whole bunch of necklaces. My first client should be here shortly. I'm very tired today. My friend Matt came over last night. I did his nails, and we had tacos and some tequila drinks that were very sugary, and like just sugary enough where it's like I didn't sleep well because of him. So I'm tired. So I would just like to sleep. But I do have so my first appointment of the day, and then I have a bit of a break in between, and then my best friend's coming in at 4. So I should have a little bit of a break in between, in which I will lie face down on the floor and nap. Maybe not, but yeah, I'm looking forward to Vanessa coming in. That'll be fun. I drank like all the drinks this morning to give myself energy. So much water, electrolyte drink, coffee. I'm gonna make another coffee now. And like my eyes were even like, they're like red, like bloodshot, just from being tired. I just finished up with my first client of the day. How cute were those nails? But my eyes won't stop watering. They've been watering for hours now and like burning. Not good. Anyways, I have Vanessa coming in at 4, but I have like 3.5 hours now So I think I'm going to clean my tools. I usually do that at the end of the day, but I've a couple times now started doing it midday when I have a big break, and it's very nice because then at the end of the day I don't have to linger for so long. So I'm gonna clean my tools, and I think we're just gonna make a noodle cup and watch Sex Education and then go home for a bit. And I wanna finish up a vlog and hopefully get that uploaded so I can post it tomorrow. I really like my haircut also, in color. I think it looks cute. It's Sunday. My client was just a half hour late and I just banged out a tier 2 set in the shortest amount of time I've ever done it. It's her birthday nails. We made it happen. But yeah, so I still feel like I'm like racing energy, even though I can calm down. I have a half an hour until my next client arrives. So I'm just getting cleaned up and then gonna have a quick bite. But that's about it. It's a rainy day. I got out this morning for a walk at least when it was sunny, but now it's really gross. And now I'm very happy to be inside.